Hello and welcome to Unboxing Stuff with Reckless Abandon. And today we are going to be unboxing the Mactrem LED Ring Light Kit. You can get it for about 25 bucks on Amazon. And I'm going to see just how good it is and if it's even worth it. Alright, got our instruction manual. We got, what do we got in here? We got, looks like a little baby tripod. It's actually pretty sturdy construction. It doesn't expand, it's not telescopic. Decent height here. Not bad. What else we got in here? It's like Bluetooth camera remote. Remote. It's a word. Oh, ooh. All right. Also got, looks like a swivel mount for this. Goes on. Also sturdy. It's not plastic. Well, this bit is, but this is metal. The ball inside is metal, and it's not a crank down like you get on some other things. Yeah, no, that's not bad at all. I'm pretty pleased with that. That's pretty good construction. All right, let's see what else we got. Cell phone mount. Okay. Yep, that's what that looks like. All right, and then the ring light itself. Kudos to you, Mactrem. Nothing came damaged, so that's always a plus. All right, as you can see, ring light. It is USB. There wasn't a brick or a power converter or anything inside. It is plastic. It's not glass. Got a little swivel mount here. It's just one way though, forward and backwards. And looks like we got two mounts, one on top, one on bottom. Oops. For our camera mount. Goes in there like, I don't know. Is your camera supposed to sit back inside or out front of it? I guess out front of it, so it doesn't create some kind of halo around your camera. So, yeah. One up top here too. Okay, it's just a little tighter. Alright, so you could do that if you wanted. Let's go ahead and attach our tripod here. See how it holds up. This isn't too bad for 25 bucks. So, as you can tell, it's pretty tall. I'm guessing this is probably more intended for people that do like makeup tutorials based on the height. That's probably what it's mostly intended for. I plan on trying to mount it around the camera here to just create some warm light. Because it has 3 different lighting modes, it says, and it also has RGB functionality, which I don't know why you would want that, but hey, you know, whatever floats your boat. Got a pretty decent sized cord here. 4 feet, 5 feet. Let's plug it in here and see what we got. Okay. You can see here we got our little on and off switch. This remote that it came with does not substitute for this. This is just a Bluetooth linking remote that you can sync to your phone. Comes with a battery. I'm not going to worry about that. That's not important. So, ring light. Here we go. So we got on and off. We got up and down. So it looks like the default on is as high as it goes. And we got model. Oh, okay. So there's your warm light. That looks like a mix between warm and cool. There's the cool. Here's how it affects the lighting. That's the middle. There's the daylight or cool. And the warm again. Let's go ahead and turn the main light off. And then there's a separate set of buttons here for RGB on and off. You can do both at the same time. Oh yeah, it completely washes it out if you turn them both on at the same time. Turn off the main light if you really want to do the RGB. That does not show up in the video. Interesting. According to the video, it's just completely white, but it is purple going on pink. Right now it's rotating between all the colors. I wonder if I can get like a reflection on a piece of paper here. Oh, oh, face. There we go. Cool. Rotating through the colors. Okay, so it looks like the first button click was when you turn it on, it just cycles through the rainbow of colors. And then as you click the model button some more, it just keeps going through the different colors. Now, the colors are bright. All in all, I am actually pretty pleased with this. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to mount it to the tripod around the camera. There is no threaded insert inside the ring light here, so that would actually be a really nice addition if it had it. You know, just a little metal thread right in there or right in there. I don't know. That's probably my only complaint. All in all, not a bad product for 25 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. If you enjoyed this video and liked what you saw, go ahead and click subscribe. I'll see you around on the next one. Thanks.